Welcome to MTM TV. Today I want to give you 3 practical steps that you can take to boost your motivation. The first one is to set a morning routine. The second one is to set a list that you can stay focused on, the task that you need to accomplish for that day. And then the third one is you need to get a lot of sleep. You need to get enough sleep to where you can continue, where you can wake up refreshed, first and foremost. Secondly, it does something to boost your mentals, your dopamine. You need a lot of rest for that. So those are 3 practical steps that you can take to boost your motivation. And there's a plethora of other things you can do, but I just went over 3 today. And like I said, the morning routine is something that you build a good habit. You're building habits that are going to serve you well in being able to get the things done that you need to get done, because our brain really loves habit. Our brain doesn't like to be all over the place. So set that routine. That's a big one. And the list, it goes along with the second one, number 2 is the list. It goes along with the routine because it helps with efficiency. It's not like to do extra work. Our minds are designed for efficiency. So that's number 2. And then obviously the last one is, like I said, I'm just going over it again. Number 3 is just to continue to focus on getting enough sleep, rest your body. You feel refreshed the next day. You're going to be motivated, much more motivated, as opposed to tired, lethargic, and no energy. So 3 practical things that you can do to boost your motivation and to strive more for your goals, which is stuff that I work on all the time. I don't always get it right, but for the most part, a high percentage of the time, I do get it right. So those are the 3 practical things that I would say to focus in and day out. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment below. You want anything that will help you with something that you need help with, I got the information for you. So let me know. See you later.